It's March, and it's time for spring cleaning. Today we're going to talk about cleaning up our contracts, specifically the Post Settlement Occupancy Agreement, also known as the Rent Back Agreement. Now I know that after you've gone through negotiating the actual sale, negotiating the rent back can seem like an afterthought, but there's actually quite a few boxes and blanks that need to be filled out or checked off. For instance, is there going to be a fee for the rent back? Will it be a per day fee or a flat fee? That choice in paragraph 1 determines the default penalty in paragraph 2C, so make sure you go over the whole form with your clients. And buyer's agents, it's very important that your client follows all the steps outlined in paragraph 3 if they intend to withhold any portion of the security deposit due to damage. The buyer has 3 business days to provide a written list of deficiencies to the seller and the escrow agreement. If they don't provide this list to the right people in time, they lose all claim to the security deposit. And the right person is not you, it's the seller and the escrow agent. I understand that you're used to being the point of contact with your client up until now, but this is a very tight deadline and we want to streamline as much as possible. Also note that the escrow agent may have their own form and procedures to follow as well, so really make sure your client understands those procedures. As always, if you have any question about this portion or any other portion of the contract, please give us a call.